You can rest assured of your child's excellent performance when you register your child with Janan Schools, Bombo Kalule Campus and Kabalagala. Due to their firm educational background, we have the best facilities in both arts and sciences, fully updated to the latest sector standards, right from Senior 1 to Senior 6, in an environment that offers a chance to apply practical skills in all fields. That include a computer lab, introducing our students to the tech world, a well-organized science laboratory, a fully stocked library with all the essential books a student may need, a model farm to equip students with all the basic knowledge in agriculture, plus extra vocational skills. We promote co-curricular activities in sports like badminton, table tennis, basketball, volleyball, chess, and many more other activities. Register your child today at both campuses in Bombo Kalule and Kabalagala campus. For more information, contact us on the numbers below.
So buno buwanguzi si bwa Barugara Balaam yeka ne buwanguzi bwa bana Uganda. Ate vote of confidence in PLU. Nze nga vice chairman wa Western Uganda ndimu happy nti abantu bavude mu bitundu bya Uganda Kigezi Ankole Bunyoro okujja okunjozayoza nebaza Katonda wa febe.